Hey everybody, in this screencast I'm going to show you how your students are going to first log into Smart Online Learning Suite and join your class. So we're currently in an active Smart Online lesson, and on my teacher screen I'm going to go ahead and click on the people icon, and I'm going to present my class info. So it tells my students right here that they can go to hellosmart.com and enter my class ID to join my class. So I'm going to switch over to the student view. And when your students get to the home screen of Google, they can go ahead and type in that hellosmart.com URL. And they're going to see a screen that looks just like this, where they can sign in or join as a guest. Now, they do have a school account, so they are going to sign in as a student. They're going to want to log in with their Google accounts. They can choose their specific account. And then they should receive a welcome screen asking to join the specific class. And again, we're going to go back to my teacher page and we're going to see my class ID right here. And we're going to type in that code and hit join. At this point, the student has joined my Smart Online class. And if your student happens to sign out of your class, the next time they're able to join back in, it's actually an easier process because Smart Online will remember that they've already joined your class. So they can simply go back and sign in. They can click on their student ID, and they'll be able to find their teacher in the Smart Online classes that they've already joined. Thanks for watching.